Welcome back, guys. So, see, what was the last thing I did with y'all? I took a bunch of stuff off. I took the head off, a bunch of the accessories off. But a lot of things I have done off camera just because I'm having to push this. And what we went ahead and did this morning was we pulled the whole front off to make the engine and transmission removal easier. So we took off that whole front. So there's nothing really in the front except for a tarp and the AC compressor hanging off the side. And then just this. I've already loosened the Torx back there and I'll get those in just a second. But let's go ahead and get this last 18 out. So the only thing left to do is support the trans and move the steering rack so then the oil pan can clear. And then you just hold the Allen wrench and let her rip. Now, through trusted help by Rob's Weekend Garage, he suggested I move the steering rack to provide more clearance for the oil pan. done. Engine transmission's out. Now, that's all the extra parts from the 323 right here to the left of us. But it's starting to look like a junkyard car now. I have already dropped the exhaust. Head is just still attached, of course. Now I'd like to say it's time to drain the coolant, the engine oil, and start undoing and unbuckling everything else from the front. Because I've already done that sensor that goes to the transmission, that goes to that's the oil level sensor wire. It's right in between tie rod and your sway bar. You look directly up, it's that bolt. It's sitting all alone. Alright, so after dealing with taking a gulp of coolant. Pretty tasty. Gotta get your minerals and your vitamins. I went ahead and cleaned up a little bit. And now I'm getting to the slave cylinder. And listening that, it is held on by two 13mm bolts. There's one right here and just above. We're not going to take this out just yet. I'm going to just push it to the side. And already removed the wire. It goes right here. It's just held on by this little tab. Push it in, just like the mass airflow sensor. Push in, pull out. And then I took the oil level sensor out. Well, the wiring. And for this, the tabs are on the side. Push them together right here, and then, I don't know if you saw that, but you just push the sides and pull out. That's for the sensor that's underneath the oil pan.